all, welcome to ArcSight Default Content Series, Episode 6, Sysmon Logging. The ArcSight default content relies on Sysmon logs to trigger alerts to potential threats in your environment. There are various types of Sysmon event IDs that are used in the ArcSight default content. Sysmon is part of the Sys internals software package, now owned by Microsoft, and enriches the standard Windows logs by producing some higher level monitoring of events such as process creations, network connections, and changes to the file system. So how do we enable them? The latest release of Sysmon can be downloaded from the Microsoft page as shown and installed. I will be showing a quick demo on how to install the Sysmon and set it up in your Windows machine. The first step would be to download the Sysmon package from the Microsoft page as shown. Once you've downloaded the package, along with the other files, add your Sysmon config file. This file provides the capability to add flexibility and verbosity in the logs recorded by Sysmon. Depending on your environment and requirement, you can craft your own Sysmon logs in this file. All the important filter tags that are required for the ArcSight default content should be included in this configuration file, and they can be referred from the best practices documentation of ArcSight default content. The next step would be to install the Sysmon. Once you have run the command and installed the Sysmon, you can verify if the service of the Sysmon is up and running in the Services app of your Windows machine. As you can see, the Sysmon service is up and running. The next step would be to verify if the Sysmon logs are getting recorded in your Windows event viewer. As you can see, it is recorded under the Sysmon folder under operational logs. There are various types of Sysmon logs recorded. So that's all for today's demo. Thank you all. See you in the next video.